So can anyone tell me what is the second step of this process? Anyone?
Design.
Designing the things.
Great, great. So I think many of our participants are really involved in the training and development phases. So what is the training design what you call the steps for the training design? Can anyone enlighten me?
Once the gap is understood between the current state and the state to be achieved, then there could be different methodologies which could be used in designing, like doing the surveys, conducting one-to-one interviews or one-to-many questionnaires kind of thing, and then put a structure into a place where the gap can be taken care by putting the required modules and all. So it's I would say, a phased manner design where you gather the data, put it up, again discuss with the audience or the students, and then refine your design and before you actually create delivery modules.
Right. Anyone else would like to share?
So the objectives, what are the learning objectives are there? It has to be very specific and it has to be measurable. The actions has to be measurable that can enable the learners, the people are there to fulfill the entire goals. That is one very important thing which we feel. And also the strategies which are being required for learning the objectives, which is going to help us to enable the entire things and to complete the loop.
Right. So you need to have clearly defined objectives which are on the SMART process of objective definitions, right?
Correct.
Which is specific, measurable, achievable, and time bound and realistic. Am I right?
100% right.
So that's the first step, specific learning objectives, gathering media and techniques. Anyone? The tools and techniques, which is the content development, content research, and then categorizing the content in a orderly manner so that you start with the easier content and go towards the most difficult content, thereby increasing the learning of the participants. Writing the lesson plan, which is the A to Z, from A to Z of how the complete training program will be conducted from day one to the last day of the training and so on, and creating various assessments. So as someone rightly said, there is a pre-training, there is a during training, and there is a post-training. So all these assessment processes will be put clearly outlined as to what will be the way to analyze or evaluate the training as the training goes in. So intermediary questions, quizzes, and interactions. So that is the design process. Are you with me, gentlemen, participants? Anyone would like to put in any more feedback on this? What do you think is the next step towards the phase?